know what I'm doing. This thing's keeping us warm. That's pretty nice. It's a pizza oven and also a tush warmer. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Destination Delicious. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy, and as you know, it is game day season, which means it is the perfect time to hang out with friends and family, eat yummy food, have a lot of fun, and watch football.
But speaking of food and football, we are having so much fun with our new Leggero pizza oven and making all sorts of food and snacks for our friends and family. So today, I'm going to make a snack where I'm twisting things up a little bit. I am making braided crazy bread.
So let's go fire up the Leggero.
Everybody loves breadsticks, everybody loves cheese. So the first thing that we need to do is flour our board and get our pizza dough cut into strips. We are using Papa Sal's pizza dough. This is one that we found pre-made at our local grocery store. And I'm not gonna make it in a circle because we're not making a pizza, but we're making breadsticks. So I'm gonna try and make it as rectangular as possible. I am going to use our Blackstone pizza cutter to make strips of dough about 1 inch wide. I've got some fresh mozzarella that I'm going to cut up here. Now it's time to braid our breadsticks. I've moved most of the dough pieces aside here. If you may have noticed, I don't have a lot of hair, so I'm not super familiar with braiding, but I have a general idea of the concept. So we're just gonna start to layer these over. And then what I'm gonna do is layer some mozzarella cheese in as we go. Stretch this out a little bit, bring that there. And then I'm just gonna fold my ends under. And we got a braided breadstick. Braided crazy bread. Christy had a good idea on something to try, so we're gonna give her idea a try. I'm gonna take a couple of these strips and roll them out a little flatter, and then we are going to stuff them with cheese before we make our braid.
Look at that.
All right, so before we get these in the oven, I'm going to brush the tops of our crazy breadsticks with some butter. Next, we're gonna sprinkle a lot of garlic powder on top and some shredded Parmesan, which in that nice hot pizza oven should melt beautifully. We're going into our hot oven. Shimmy them off. And there we go. And turn our turntable on. And turn our temperature to low and let them go. That stone is hot.
Wow. It looks beautiful.
Now that our breadsticks are ready, the last thing we need to do is prepare a couple dipping sauces. And when I say prepare, I mean pour out of a jar. So we've got some Rouse pizza sauce. And then I've also got a roasted garlic Parmesan sauce for a little variety. A little color, a little sprinkly-do.
A parsley.
Some parsley. These turned out pretty freaking amazing.
They look so, like, really good, like, pretty presentable.
Yeah.
Awesome for, you know, gatherings. They're gonna be like, oh my gosh, how'd you make these?
Yeah,
Awesome.
and like, how'd you make these professional breadsticks?
Yeah. Like, it's a secret.
It's not delivery, it's Leggero.
Oh, you're cute. You're
Thank
cute.
you.
All right, let's dive in
I'm
here.
gonna try this. Nice and crispy on the outside, chewy and soft on the inside.
So good.
So good. Did you want to try a breadstick, buddy?
Hi there.
They taste even better than what you would get from your local takeout place.
And I think either way is good, whether the cheese is on the outside or on the inside.
Yep.
Both taste delicious, both look incredibly professionally
Good.
Good, yeah, that's right.
So thank you guys for joining us once again. We always appreciate you tuning in. Check out blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone. Subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the great videos by any of the great cooks.
From Nate, Betty, Todd, CJ, Taylor, Matt, Bruce, and us.
And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.